doing okay. Everyone's doing well. Got a good news for you. Got ourselves a new toy. Let's open it up. We got ourselves a Gopro Hero 8 with accessories with it. Comes with a head strap, extra battery, memory card, mini tripod. Most of you would be asking why not a GoPro 9. I'll be honest, Hero 9 would be best, I think, but it would be over budget. These only cost me £3-4 a month, probably a cup of coffee, so it's not that bad. And we'll be having more. Oh, white came off. Seems to be stuck in the box. No. There we go. Open the box. What comes in it? Got a couple of stickers, as usual. As I remember, I used to own a GoPro Hero 3 back 5 years ago. So you get a memory card, 2 batteries, head mount, sticky mount, charging cable, the mini tripod. It's very plasticky. Surely it'll do its job. There we go. You could still use this for like time lapse. Table mount. Red mark means it's open. That's where your battery goes. Charging cable. Power is on the side. This one. So I've installed the app. Camera. And there we are. And that's about it. I'll let you know how we get on with this camera. I'll let you know how we get on the next coming videos. We'll take it for a ride. Let me know what else you want to do with it. We could do it on the channel. The only difference it has with GoPro Hero 9 is that it doesn't have the front screen. A bit smaller, batteries are smaller. I think it does the same job. If you're not like a pro rider or you're just a regular guy, even GoPro Hero 7 is enough just to take it to the streets. Yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one.